Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, also known as Mimi. Today we're just gonna go straight to the point. Today I decided that I am going to be using perm rods. So I haven't done this on my locks this second go around. I definitely done it on my first set of locks. I'll put the video up at the top so you can see my results the last time I've done it, but I decided, you know what, I want to try them on my locks now that they're nice and short. I want to see the look that it's going to give. I know I said that I don't wet my hair with water, but let's be real, this hairstyle requires your hair to be wet, so that's what we're going to be doing. So I have my spray bottle. Hopefully I don't drench my hair too much, but whatever. I am going to be wetting my hair and I'm going to attempt to use these perm rods on my short locks. So we will see how this goes. So if you want to see how I come up with my perm rod set, how it looks, how it comes out, then you need to keep on watching. All right, so let's go ahead and dang, it feels weird even like wetting my hair with water because it's been a while. 8 months I've had line locks and I haven't sprayed my hair with water. I used to do this for a living, guys. I used to drench my hair with water every single day when I had my first set of locks. And I don't know why I did that. Like, I just lived for my hair to just lay down. I'll obviously wet some more as I go, but I wanted to start with a good foundation. All right. All right, here are my locks. Okay, so I'm going to part my hair in sections. I'm gonna do 4 sections. Okay. Okay. All right. I will not be adding any product in my hair for this, guys. I know probably some of y'all are like, no product, sis? Like, how's that gonna work? Listen, it's a first for everything, so I want to see what it looks like without any product. Because what if I don't even need product? You know, and if I do need product, then the next time I do it, I'll put product. You know, like, it's not that serious. So I think I'm gonna do it 1 lock per perm rod. I'm not gonna do 2 locks per perm rod because I have to remember this round. This set of locks are way thicker than my first set of locks. Like, my first set of locks were really like thin, like small. So, well, not small. I guess they're small locks as far as density. So I would put like 2 to 3 locks per perm rod, but these are pretty thick. So I'm only gonna do 1 per perm rod, and I wonder if that's enough. Maybe I should count this. Yeah, hold on. Let me get off the camera and I'm gonna count this to confirm because I have 69 locks, so I need to have 69 perm rods. I don't want to get to the top and realize, oh sis, like, you need some more. So I'll be back. Okay, so I counted and I counted 66, but then realized one of them is broke, so I might have 60 something. So I'll look for some locks that are smaller, which I feel like it's towards the front of my head, because some of the locks in the front of my hair are smaller than the back. So yeah, we gonna see. We gonna go, figure it out as we go. All right, so let's start with the back. Oh, I'm gonna turn this way. So I don't even need this towel because my hair is not drenching wet. All right, so I'm gonna start. Let me put this here and put this over here. All right. So let's add some water. All right, we got our water. And we're gonna start with the first row. Which, look at that. All right. Okay. And I think I'm not going to twirl and perfect this. I'm gonna do this as lazy as possible. So I am going to first roll the hair in one spot, which will be right here. And then I'm going to twirl it around the perm rod. And then, boom. So I'll do that again. So here is a piece. I'm going to first get it at the edge of the perm rod, roll it on itself once or twice, and then start twirling it. There we go. All right, so I'm going to put this on fast forward for you guys. So once I get to the front part of my hair, then I will slow it down in real time so you can, see me. All right? Now, I'll be sure to put a good song for you guys. All right, guys, so I did the whole back to the top, to basically the middle. Now we have the front, and I'm like, my hair is short, so like, I don't feel like a middle part would look good for this, because I'm like, it need to be like some side action. And as you know, like, my hair has always been in a middle part since I started this journey. So I don't think my lines are that neat, which I truly don't care. So I think this will be good. I don't know. I should do one side like this and one side like that, or if I could find a better lineup on this side. Yeah, this is like a better lineup, honestly. And as you can see, I'm using my fingers for all of this. I do not care for perfection. It is what it is. Like, for me, it's simple and better. But yeah, I think this is a good section where I could put the rest of this way. I don't know. We finna see, y'all. We finna see how this come out. So I don't know. I haven't had a side part in so long, and I really feel like it should be this way because I'm more in tune with my hair being this way. But let's try something new. Uh-oh. Look at that. My little edge is trying to do something. Guys, y'all see the little edge? Look. Here's the proof that I got something. And when I'm telling you proof, I'm really proof to myself because I swear I don't got no edges, which this is my problem area right here. But what? I'm here for it. All right. So Whew, okay. We're down to the last two, y'all. Okay. And I just try to find space where it could sit properly, which is kind of hard since I feel like I had no real pattern to the way I did it. But sorry, I felt like something legit. An ant just bit me, but I don't think it, because I would have been like, ah. Okay. Wow. All right, let's kind of do a turnaround so you can see. So this probably took me about 20 minutes. 20, 21 minutes, 20, 21, 22 minutes, I feel like. I'm just spraying it with water because I'm also going to blow dry my hair. I have the handheld blow dryer. Wait. No, yeah, I have the handheld blow dryer. I ended up throwing away that hooded dryer that I had because it was just so old. I truly need to get another one. So I'm going to blow dry my hair on like medium low and blow dry my hair. I'm still not sure. I may take it out tonight. Let it sit in my hair for a couple hours. That might be best. Take it out tonight or tomorrow morning, but I don't know because tomorrow morning I like to edit and get my videos uploaded. I'm like so late, guys. Like I truly finish editing my videos the day I'm going to upload. I'm trying to get better, but hey, the videos are still coming out on time. So I am going to blow dry my hair and I'll come back and kind of let you know what the status is. All right. Okay, so I don't know, for some reason I feel like this is gonna be an epic fail. Well, I'm not gonna lie, I did take one roller out and I was like, but I'm sorry, I am not going to sleep in these rollers. So I've had these rollers on for 5 hours. I blow dried it, as you can see in the little clip that I showed you guys. So let's take these rollers out and let's see what it comes out to look like. And oh, that curl kind of looked a little, you know, a little fresh, so clean. Ooh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous to see what these curls looking like. It's giving me the 50s pin curls. Oh shoot. Well, I just broke one. To be expected from me. I will say that it looks like my hair is not even locks. That's the one thing I can say, that I don't even look like I have locks on my head. It just looks, oh, broke another one. Like I said, to be expected. But it doesn't even look like I have locks on my head. Yo. I'm afraid to even like play around with them, you know? To like pull them out a little. I don't know what I should do. I don't want to really shake my hair up. But they don't look like locks. Oh. Wow. Okay, well, it definitely curled. The question is, I don't even know how I want this thing like laid. I feel like I have a wig on. Not in a bad way, it's just that like, wow. Well, that is confirmation. The perm rods do curl your hair. Like, look at that. Okay. Put it in a ponytail. Ooh. The ponytail would be cute. You know what? Let me go get some scrunchies, because you know what? It's not like I did this hairstyle to go somewhere. So let me give you some styles that I would do if I was gonna go somewhere, because I'm not going nowhere. I'm gonna give you the looks. Because I'm kind of liking. I'll be back. Let me go get some scrunchies, some pins, and we gonna do something. We gonna try something out, okay? Back and I think that's probably the best hairstyle I'm gonna get. This. Okay guys, I think that is it. This is the hairstyle I'm gonna stick with. Because I'm tired and this is not cute though. Like, I feel like I'm going to somebody's wedding right now. Yeah, I am happy that I had decided to do. This one is just like perfect. Like, do you see that? Like, hello. But anyways, I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy myself, looking at myself in the mirror, because this ain't going nowhere. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my technique. I hope you liked the hairstyle. Yeah, I promise y'all, I did not think it was gonna come out this cute. Like, I would have been did this hairstyle if I thought it was gonna come out this cute. Right? Like, we ain't gonna talk about that. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please put on your bell notification so you can know when I'm going to be posting my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.